In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a list with a different number in Microsoft Word. Whether you're creating a document for a project or organizing your thoughts, there are times when you might want to start a numbered list at something other than the traditional number one. Microsoft Word makes this simple, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word document where you've already created your list. This process works whether your list already has numbers or if you're just about to start a new one. Once your document is open, the next step is to select the number in the list that you want to change. Simply click directly on the first number you want to modify. For example, if your list currently starts with the number 1, go ahead and click on that number. When done correctly, you should notice that the entire list, meaning all the numbers in the list, becomes highlighted. Now that you have your list selected, take your cursor and move it over the number you've just clicked on. Then, with the number highlighted, perform a right click using your mouse. This action will bring up a context menu which contains a range of options related to numbering and formatting. From this menu, look for the option that says Set Numbering Value and select it. This option is key because it holds the setting you need to change the starting number of your list. When you select Set Numbering Value, a dialog box aptly named Set Numbering Value will appear on your screen. Within this dialog box, you'll see a few options. The first thing you need to do is ensure that the Start New List radio button is selected. This ensures we're starting a fresh sequence and aren't continuing from a previously set numbering sequence. After confirming that, proceed to the field labeled Set Value To. This field is where you'll input the number you wish for your list to begin with. So if you want your list to begin at a number other than 1, let's say 15, enter 15 in this box. Once you've entered your desired starting number, go ahead and click the OK button. By doing so, you apply this new setting to your list. When you return to your document, you'll see that the list now begins with the number you specified, and the numbering will continue sequentially from there. This simple adjustment can make your document much more tailored and specific to your needs. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully customized the starting point of your list numbers in Microsoft Word, tailoring your document to better fit your project's needs. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.